First, EPI stands for European Payment Initiative. EPI is in effect an initiative led by 16 large European banks from 6 countries to develop a new European payment scheme for retail payments. The project has been officially announced on the 2nd of July 2020 and includes banks from Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, France, Italy, and Spain. The project is strongly supported by the European Commission, by the European Central Bank, and by national public authorities. The objective of the project is thus to introduce new and digital payment solutions for European consumers for retail payments using a European payment infrastructure. EPI is a key project both for the sovereignty of our economy in Europe and to bring innovation on the market.
The EPI initiative is important for Europe as an economic union to confirm and establish its sovereignty in terms of payments. In the same way as Europe already has done for other domains, such as, for instance, data protection and data security. From a general perspective, the EPI initiative will help to protect Europe from potential and dangerous embargo situations that we have seen already in the recent past in other countries. For the Benelux banks, it is important to be part of the discussion, to be around the table when the future of card payments is being discussed. So in that respect, the Benelux banks should work together and discuss together in order to be heard. Because after all, we should not forget that the volumes of card payments in our region is already significantly higher than compared to other large countries such as Germany and Italy, for instance. So from that perspective, it is always better to be in the driving seat for the Benelux banks.
Bringing new and effective payment solutions to hundreds of millions of citizens is an ambitious project, which requires significant investment. The first step is to create a joint company between banks that will define the common rules of the scheme and the technical aspects of EPI services. European banks will also need to build or reuse existing assets to set up the central infrastructure between banks to process the transactions. At the level of each bank, there is also significant work to be done. It will start with the definition of the precise value proposition and the customer experience for their clients, consumers, and merchants. Banks also have important choices to make to define the right approach as regards their IT systems. They could decide to adapt their existing IT assets for payments, or to take the opportunity to mutualize their approach and build common platform to process EPI transactions. In any event, the time schedule planned for EPI to have the first transactions early 2022 is ambitious and calls for a strong mobilization from now on of banks to be ready in time.
As a conclusion, we can say that the EPI initiative is the last piece of the SEPA puzzle, but it is, however, important to complete the puzzle. The EPI initiative will also help the European Union to protect ourselves against certain economic risks induced by other global but foreign players. Most probably, the EPI initiative will also combine the best of an instant payment and the best of a card payment, so it will be by default beneficial for all key stakeholders in that respect. We also think it is important to act now. Europe has been discussing for many years, so we need to act, we need to launch this initiative now. If you want more information about the EPI initiative and the latest status in that respect, do not hesitate to contact Sopra Banking and/or the Galit organization. Thank you.